Hi guys, today I'm going to show you step-by-step process that how you optimize your Shopify product page for SEO purpose so you can rank your product on Google and drive free traffic. To get started, open your Shopify admin and go to your product page. Next, open your favorite AI chatbot. You can either use ChatGPT, but right now I'm using Gemini, and paste this master SEO prompt. So I have included this prompt in the description below, so you can just copy paste it. Add your all your product details like your product title, description, number of images. So I have 14 files. So number of images 14. Current tags. So right now I'm just copying this. And also your product URL. Hit enter and let the AI generate the complete SEO package for your product. So once all the things are ready, just update them, update the everything step by step. So let's start with the product title. Copy and replace with your old title. Then your product description. So it gave me the HTML version. I'm just copy. Go to HTML version. Next. Update the meta title and meta description. So scroll to the bottom and here you see the option of search engine listing. Click edit. Update the meta title. As well as meta description and URL handle. Update your product tags as well. And click on save. So we also have to change the product image name and alt text as well. So right now it just gave me the 5 image title and alt text. So number of images are 14. Next, change your image name and alt text for all your product images. Copy, open your first image and paste. And do the same for all the other images. So that's it, and do the same with all the other products. So Igagi has also give us FAQ and blog topics. So save them. We can use them later while design our website. So I'm just saving it in the Google Documents. Copy and just okay, that's it for now. Do the same with all the other products. So that's it for now. In the next video, I'll show you how to buy a custom domain name and connect it with Shopify. So see you in the next video. Thank you.